The integration of mobile money transfer services and the banking sector is expected to give Kenyans unlimited access to their bank accounts, enabling them to transact huge amounts of money. Though the integration may take some time, customers have already moved to the next stage of electronic payment by utilizing the service to settle bills and procure goods and services. Companies are also utilizing the service to pay dividends to shareholders and even pay salaries. This has in effect put Kenya on the road to the transition to a cashless economy, though experts still contend that cash is here to stay.
Globally, less than 2% of money in the Western Union world is sent through electronic channels. So still cash is king, queen, prince and princess of our world.
Now they're thinking about paying those salaries via M-Pesa. You know, it's cheap, it's safe, and it's convenient. Because now instead of taking the cash and having to deal with the cash, you just leave the money in M-Pesa and then you disperse it however you like.
Mobile money transfer is now on the transition to becoming a formidable payment solution, with operators touting it as the payment solution of the future. M-Payment, as it has come to be known in the financial sector, will enable Kenyans to transact on their accounts using their mobile phone in the same way as the Western world uses credit cards and debit cards.
As an economy, we may leapfrog on this new innovation to skip some of the steps that the developed world went through, particularly as comes to debit cards.
Compared to the West, where there's a heavy reliance on Visa and credit card facilities, here in Kenya is the slight opposite, and it's actually skewed. We rely heavily on mobile applications with payment gateways in them.
The younger generation is already investing in the future of the service by utilizing the internet to conduct their shopping. The proposition works in very much the same way as a courier service, but here customers shop online and make payments using their mobile transfer services and then pick up the goods or have them delivered to their homes.
It can attach your M-Pesa, your Zap, your Ucash, your Orange Money, whatever it is that you're using, to be able to facilitate payments and actually credit it to your account, and now you can go and redeem it at an actual physical store.
However, for this to happen, the government will have to give the legal recognition to mobile numbers as a form of identification, linking it to one's financial status. Whether by design or not, the framework for this form of mobile identity has already been put in place through the SIM registration process.
A payment gateway uses your mobile number as a unique identifier, similar to your ID that you have in the real world. So your mobile number becomes your ID in the internet, and now it attaches a commercial value.
Financial experts are also aware that virtualization has its own risks both to users and the general economy. For instance, the ability to get direct access to one's bank account could technically erode savings. So what is the future of money transfer?
It's kind of as broad as your imagination. Anything that cash can do, mobile money transfer can do, and indeed more.
That going forward, consolidation will happen, interconnection will happen, but it will happen in stages and in phases.
We are moving the bank from branches to your hand. From your house, you could hear, it transfer your money, you could get money.
Where goods and services will be exchanging hands with just electronic transactions happening at the back end between bank accounts.
So who knows what the future holds, but I'm pretty sure that we will all be enjoying different choices, be it mobile, be it card, be it internet, be it cash.
In the long run, however, the concept of a cashless economy holds both the fear of uncertainty and a whim of excitement that even the most experienced of experts cannot hide, and that in itself is perhaps more telling than any guess as to what the future holds. Githaiga, Citizen TV.